Look at that. It's pretty big. If you put the Eiffel Tower up here, it's the same height. The time is now 7:15 in the morning here. I'm bound for Uluru, which is aka Ayers Rock. It's about a 5-hour bus journey. I think I might anticipate being back at something like, could be 1 in the morning. G'day folks, I'm on the Emu run. Actually, I'm not McDundee, I'm in a truck stop in the middle of nowhere, halfway between Alice Springs and Uluru, and the all-important muffin. I'm at Uluru right now, in the middle of Australia, and this is me doing one-handed pictures again on the phone. So this is what you do, one-handed pictures. This is the back end of Ayers Rock, which is Uluru. It's a great big massive sandstone monolith. There's 3 of them, and it's pretty big. If you put the Eiffel Tower up here, it's the same height. These flies here are brutal. You might need a fly net or one of these towels. And I'm in one of the caves. Here is the cave art as well, to that behind me. And if you look round, there is another rumble of thunder. It's pretty cool. Hear that? I'm on the bus back, going to the cultural centre. Definitely worth coming along. You're in the middle of Australia for one. The colour of the rock changes. The light changes, the colour of the rock changes. The weather changes, the colour of the rock changes. We have a thunder system rolling in as well, and it is just dramatic as to the ambience of Uluru. I want to see if we can capture some lightning above us. I'm just keeping the camera rolling, just thinking we have a thunderstorm rolling in the background as well. Oh, did you see that? That was a lightning strike. That was a lightning strike. And you might get another one on camera. And you can hear that, rolling thunder. It's very, very cool. Now as to the spectacle of Uluru, which is just over here, I don't want to miss the lightning. Well, that's it here. It seems to be every time I press the record button, there's a 2-minute gap between lightning strikes and then the resulting thunder. If you can see the background, the storm is passing there. Now I'm hoping the sun, which sets in the west, is that behind the camera, that is going to light up Uluru. £10 is a bet. What do you think? The sun is not in the right position, as you do, but we are having some dramatic weather. We've had some thunderstorms. We have some dramatic cloud formations, which actually lends quite nicely. It's not the picture I was looking for, but again, let's just go with what we've got. So, I'm going to go with the wide angle shot, I think, a super wide angle, just to show what's happening around the Ayers Rock, just for context, and maybe a couple of zooms. So, we're in position, we're 360 cameras, and the sun might be behaving itself. We are lighting up Uluru as we speak. The sun is in the right position. We are lighting up, that is the opposite side. The sun is obviously clearly setting there, and Uluru is just over that way. I'm right. Look at that. Look at that. Panorama, we're going to do a quick cheat, okay? We'll do that. Intensity is going, the sun is literally setting. And we're going to go up here as well quickly. I'm on the bus now. It was spectacular sunset. I knew, I told you it was going to happen. We literally had a spectacular light up show on Fire of the Sky, and that's what happens. And this is our guide. He's excellent, and what he doesn't know is not worth knowing, basically, because he knows everything. Here's up. There you go.
Photo, video, drone, available for hire. Check out cdfimages.com.